Welcome, in front of me ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to make system faster on this device. So if you use this device during the longest time, maybe you have noticed that your devices start to slowing down. And this is the rule for devices, that devices are starting to work, to run slower, because of several reasons. First reason, of course, it's because applications getting to be bigger, and they needs more performance for any new updates, of course, but the second reason is because your device is starting to slow down, and now I'll show you how to fix this problem. So your device is starting to be slowing down because of just only two reasons. First reason, lack of space. Second reason, lack of RAM. So to fix first reason, first thing to check is it actual for you. So open system settings and find system, and here you will see that storage. As you can see here under the storage, I have information how much space I have used, and I have used, as you can see, 31%, and it's very good. But if you have used more than 75%, it means that your device is slowing down. So now fill up your storage over the 75%. Cool. The second aspect, of course, is the RAM. So you can open the recent apps, and here just click on the cross button to free up your RAM. As you can see, I have freed a while ago 2 and 22 gigabytes of RAM, and now my device will be faster. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.